Making a connection. Unlock the power of communication. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a very special phrase, making a connection. This phrase is not just about physical links. It's about the invisible threads that tie us together, in conversation and in heart. Whether you're learning English for the first time or polishing your fluency, understanding this phrase can unlock new levels of communication. So, let's get started. Firstly, let's break down the literal meaning of making a connection. At its most basic, this phrase can mean creating a physical link between two or more things. Think about plugging a cable into a socket or linking two pieces of a puzzle. It's about establishing a contact that wasn't there before. Moving beyond the literal, making a connection often refers to the creation of a social or emotional bond between people. This can happen in many ways. Through conversation, when we find common ground or shared interests with someone else. In moments of empathy, when we understand and feel what another person is experiencing. By creating memorable experiences together, forming bonds that last a lifetime. This type of connection is crucial for building friendships, strengthening family ties, and succeeding in professional relationships. Understanding and making connections are at the heart of effective communication. When we say someone is good at making connections, we often mean they are skilled at listening actively and empathetically, identifying common interests or feelings, expressing themselves in a way that resonates with others. This skill can enhance personal relationships, improve business negotiations, and even aid in learning new languages by linking concepts and vocabulary in meaningful ways. So, how can we get better at making connections? Here are a few tips. Be genuinely interested in others. Ask questions and listen to their stories. Share your own experiences and feelings. Vulnerability can foster deeper connections. Look for commonalities, even in seemingly different beliefs or backgrounds. Practice empathy. Try to see the world from another person's perspective. Making a connection is about much more than just talking to someone. It's about truly engaging with them, sharing, and understanding. It's a skill that can transform your personal and professional life, and it's at the very heart of learning and using the English language effectively. We hope this video has helped illuminate the power of connections for you. Remember, every conversation is an opportunity to make a new connection. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.